Please respond in the chat, guys. Yes. Very, very good evening, guys. Very, very good evening. All right. So let us start our session here today. So guys, before starting our session, I just want to share a small, a good news. Like one of our students has got placed, like one of the success story. No, guys, this is the success story of Ganesh. His name is Ganesh, and he got placed in Mindtree as a fresher with a package of 4 lakhs. How awesome it is! With a package of 4 lakhs. And his joining date is 25th March. And do you know what the best thing is? Still, Core Java is completing. Like, it's not yet completed. It's present in like encapsulation only. Core Java is not yet completed. Oops concepts is also not yet completed. He got placed in Mindtree. And these are the questions which he faced. Tell me about yourself. Why you are choosing IT over civil? Is actually a civil student, as I told you, non-IT student. What is actually a linked list? Guys, this is linked list is a predefined class which is present in collection framework. Like we'll be discussing about that linked list. What is a constructor? Types of package, like what is a package and types of packages? Features of OOPS concepts, of course. Write a program to print right angle triangle by using for loop. What is pointer? String, questions on pointers, questions on strings, arrays, DBMS, this is like SQL. And these are like normal questions. Why should we hire you? Do you have a laptop? Are you willing to relocate? Do you have any questions from me? So in these 13 questions which he faced, nearly 8 questions, like 7 to 8 questions are technical and all other are normal questions. See how easy it is. And 25th March is his joining date. 25th March is next week Friday. Next week Friday is his joining date, and Saturday he will be having a leave. I mean, week off. Like that. Nice, right? Nice, right? Right. Yeah, Mukesh, he's from non-IT background. He's basically from civil engineering. Buddy. And he got placed in IT, right? Yes. Very, very happy, guys. Very, very happy. I congratulated him also. And I'll say that you guys have also congratulated. Very, very happy, guys. Yes, Chandraban. Yes. All right. So let us start our session here today, guys. So guys, before starting our session, let me try to have a very, very small and a quick recap of the concept which we had covered in our yesterday's class. So guys, yesterday we have started discussing about one of the very interesting topic in Core Java, that is OOPS features. So we have seen what is the difference between object-oriented programming language and procedure-oriented programming language. And then we had started discussing about encapsulation. And guys, I believe you have already remembered, I told you when we are speaking about encapsulation, there are 2 kinds of definitions are there. Like, yes, encapsulation means it is a process of wrapping up of data or binding up of data into a single unit. That is correct definition, but I don't recommend this definition. I request you to please go with the second definition. That is, encapsulation means it is a process of making fields as, come on. It is a process of making fields as, come on, private, exactly, and providing access to those fields with the help of public methods. That is through setters and getters methods, that is through setters and getters methods. So I mean, yesterday we have already seen a program on this, and I requested you to give like in a small program also, like I requested you to write a program to provide encapsulation for employee name, employee ID, employee salary, employee department, and employee address, right? So I got the program, Sudharani, I got your program. I see your output also. That is very good. That is very good. Now, so guys, did you do that? Okay, I got the program from Rathod. Rathod. Yes, yes, guys, please do the tasks which I'm giving you here, please. Okay. All right, all right. So these are the topics which we had covered in our yesterday's class. Now today we are going to start discussing about one more OOPS feature, that is INHERITANCE, inheritance. One more feature, that is inheritance, guys. Inheritance. When you're speaking about inheritance, guys, as a matter of fact, we have already have a basic idea about inheritance. Am I right or wrong? Did you remember where or when we have like studied about inheritance? In object class. Am I right? Yes? Yes or no? Yes. In object class, I told you like what is actually inheritance. Can you, I mean, did you remember the definition, guys? Inheritance means acquiring acquiring the properties of acquiring the properties of one class into another class. Inheritance means acquiring the properties of one class into another class. As simple as this. Very, very, very simple concept, guys. Very simple concept. Now, guys, actually, most of the time, people will be getting confused regarding is a relationship and has a relationship. There are two types of relationships, guys. Is a relationship and has a relationship, right? Inheritance means it is inheritance. Let us go right there. INHERIT. Inheritance is also known as KNOWN, also known as is a RELATION, is a relationship. What is a relationship? I'll let you know just within a span of 5 to 10 minutes. I'll let you know. No problem. No problem, guys. Okay. Now, after that, in Java, we can achieve inheritance. In Java, we can achieve inheritance by using extends, extends or implements keyword. KEYWORT. Keywords, guys. Keywords. These are, just let me try to write. Extends keyword. Sorry, just a second. Just let me make it like 22. Okay. Extends is a keyword. Implements is also a keyword, right? So again, I'm saying you guys, in Java, if we want to achieve inheritance, we need to use either extends keyword or implements keyword. When we will be using these extends, when we will be using this implements keyword, you will be understanding within 2 to 3 days of time. Okay. Now, as of now, guys, we will be discussing about extends keyword. As of now, we will be discussing about extends keyword. No, not that. Extends keyword. Sorry. Right. Okay. Wait for implements keyword. Wait for implements. We'll be discussing about that. As of now, we'll be discussing about extends keyword. Okay. Now, let me try to go with a small program here. Class A, class B. Right. Now, guys, today in our today's class, we will be having a little bit theory. If you are not understanding today's class, tomorrow you will not understand. Day after tomorrow, we are going to deal with polymorphism. You will not understand. After that, abstraction also you will not understand. So I'm requesting you guys, can I get your complete attention in our today's class? I need response from everyone. I need response from everyone, please. All right. That is wonderful. All right. Guys, please observe here. I'm having a method. Okay. Public void method one like this. Just a method. Now here I'm writing system.out.println. Okay. Just let me make it like void. Just a basic default method. System.out.println, and here I'm writing class A method. That's it. Not more than that. Now my question is, guys, can I call this method from class B? Can I access that method from class B? Just answer yes or no. Very good. I can answer. Okay, I can access. Okay, let me have my main method. First, I'm having my main method. Okay, inside the main method, guys, what I need to do? Sir, you need to create an object. Very good. Which object I'm supposed to create? Guys, come on. Be attentive. Please interact with me. Please interact in the class. Which object I need to create? Class A object or class B object? Obviously, class A object. For example, if I'm writing new class B, like I'm trying to create an object for class B, BOBJ belongs to class B like that. Now, if I'm trying to call BOBJ dot method one, obviously I'll be getting an error. 100%. Why? Because method one, exactly. Method one belongs to class A. Method one is present in class A. Method one does not belong to class B, so you cannot call that. Okay, I understand. So if I want to call this method one, I need to create an object for my class A. And okay, let me have a reference, please. AOBJ belongs to class A like that. Now, this is an object for my class A, and with the help of that object reference, that is AOBJ dot method one. What do you say, guys? Can I call like that? Yes. Right click, run as Java application, and of course, I'll be getting my output, that is class A method like this. Now, guys, this is important. Please listen. Class B has class A object. Am I right or wrong? Class B has HAS. Class B has class A object. Am I right or wrong? This is known as has a relation. This is known as has a relation. Are you understanding me, guys? Please help me out. Fantastic. Very good. Now, guys, can you please tell me why I did not use any import statement? Why I did not use any import statement? Why? Sir, come on, sir. We already know this. How many times you will ask? Even though, please tell me here. Sir, both class A and class B are present in the same package. If they are present in the same package, no need to use import statement. Wow, that is perfect. That is perfect. When we need to use import statement, if both the classes are present in two different packages only. If both the classes are present in two different packages, then and then only we need to use import statement. But as of now, class A and class B both are present in the same package. So obviously no need to use import statement. Fantastic. Very good. Very good. Fine. So now my requirement is, sir, I don't want an error. Here in line number 8, I am having an error. My error should be resolved. Buddy, how that error will be resolved? Method 1 belongs to class A. Yes, but is there any other way so that I can resolve my error? Exactly. Fortunately, we are having a way. That is through inheritance concept. What is that concept? What is that concept? Tell me the concept. Guys, tell me the concept name. Tell me the concept name. Inheritance. Inheritance. So, what we need to do? We need to, guys, listen. We need to inherit class A into class B. We need to inherit class A into class B. Sir, how that is possible? Point number 1. Guys, if you want to achieve inheritance, how many keywords are there? I told you, just now I told you. How many keywords are there? 2 keywords are there, right? Extends and implements. Now, we are trying to provide inheritance between classes. Am I right or wrong? Yes, 2 classes, class A into class B. We are supposed to use the keyword extends. Extends. Which keyword we are supposed to use? Extends. Okay. EXTENDS. Extends. Class. Please observe line number 8. Please observe line number 8. Class A. Is my error resolved? Is my error resolved? Of course it got resolved. Now, guys, in this class B, okay, I'm having class A and class B, right? Class A is known as parent class. Class B is known as child class. Now answer my question, guys. Answer my question. If my father is having a car, if my father is having a car, can I access his car? Can I access? Yeah, come on, guys. Yes, of course. He's my father. I'm his son. He is my father. I'm his son. He's my parent. I'm his child. So, child class objects can access parent class method. Are you understanding me, guys? Yes or no? What do you mean by inheritance? What do you mean by inheritance? Inheritance means acquiring the properties of one class into another class. Here, as we have inherited class A into class B, we can access parent class method with child class object. Now this is known as what? That relationship is known as is a relation. That relationship is known as is a relation. class B is able to access class A method. I hope you're understanding me, guys. Class B is able to access class A method. Let me do one thing. Just let me try to copy this. And just I want to keep it here like this. This is okay. Oh, okay. Just a second. Like this. It's okay, no problem. Is it visible? Is it visible, guys? Please help me out. Is it visible? Okay. That is visible. Right. This is class A. This is class A. And this is class B. Class B. Just a second, guys. Right. This is class A. And this is class B. Just let me try to keep it like this. And this also, I want to keep it a little bit like this so that I'll be having sufficient space. Okay, I think that would be sufficient. Like that. Okay, just a small box. This is class A. This is class B. This is class B, like this. Okay, now guys, here terminologies are very, very important. Terminologies. Speaking about terminologies, for example, let us try to have times, where is it? Okay, and I'll make it as 22. Okay, now class A. This is class A. And this is class B. Class A and class B. Okay. Now, class A is known as parent class. Tell me, class B is known as child class. Class A is known as super class. Class B is known as subclass. Class A is known as base class. Class B is known as, any idea? Please help me out. Derived class. Okay. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Please help me out. Please. Right? Okay. That is great. Now, guys, let me just go with, right now I'm going to discuss about some important key points, very important key points in inheritance. Very, very important key points in inheritance. If you are not remembering these key points, then learning inheritance is a little bit hard. Okay, please. Now, before going to those key points, just let me try to go with like key points in inheritance. INHERI, inheritance. 4 points will be there, guys. Just 4 points. Just 4 points. I'm 100% sure easily you will be able to remember all those 4 points. I know about my students. I'm sure easily you'll be able to remember all those 4 points. Now, before going to those 4 points, first I want to have a small clarity. Guys, new class A, and here I'm going with A OBJ belongs to class A like this. Now my question is, what is this class A, like parent class or child class? In my example, just now we have written the program, right? Just now we have written the program. In this program, class A is parent class or child class. Okay, fantastic. This is a parent class. Very good. So this is parent class. Very good. Now, what is this? Tell me. I have highlighted. What is that? Tell me in parent and child terminologies. Don't say that, Datta. I need a terminology. Somanath. No, not creating an object. What is that? Try to say in terminology wise. Exactly. Parent class object. Am I right or wrong? This is parent class object. Okay. What is this? What is that? Parent class reference. That's it. This is parent class object. This is parent class reference. Am I right or wrong? Right, guys? Right. Now, points. First point. Just a second. Right. First point. Right. We can hold parent class object with parent class reference, and with that reference we can call only parent class methods. We can call only parent class methods. Did you understand? I'm saying that we can hold parent class object with parent class reference. With that reference, we can call only parent class methods. Example, new. Can you please give me the code? Please give me the code for this. New. Sir, what is parent and child class? Guys, in our program, class A is parent class. Class B is child class. Now tell me. Now tell me. Very good, Mukesh. Very good. That is very good. Now, I'm going to give you the code, guys. Please observe here. New class A, okay, equal to AOBJ belongs to class A like that. Class A like that. Okay. With the help of this reference, which methods I can call? Parent class methods. Only parent class methods. Only parent class methods. Now, point number two. Point number two. Point number two. We can hold child class object with parent class reference, and with that reference we can call only parent class methods. Slowly. Don't try to read this point fastly. Slowly. We can hold child class object with parent class reference, and with that reference we can call only parent class methods. Okay, can you please give me the code how to do that? Give me the code. New class child class object exactly B, like this. Now hold that with parent class reference, class A, parent class reference, and with that reference which methods we can call? Only parent class methods. Second point. Third point. We can hold child class object with child class reference, and with that reference we can call both parent and child class methods. With that reference we can call both parent and child class methods. Come on, give me the code. Give me the code, guys. I'm waiting. Exactly. New class B like this. Let me try to have a reference. BOBJ belongs to class B like that. And we can call both parent and child class methods. Both parent and child class methods. Guys, I'll show you the help of a program. No issues. Now, finally, last point is we can't hold parent class object with child class reference. We will be getting an compile time error. We can't hold parent class object with a child class reference. Yeah, obviously, I cannot control my father. My father can control me. Am I right or wrong, guys? Yes, I cannot control my father. If I'm trying to control my father, I'll be getting, we'll discuss about that later. Are you understanding me, guys? I believe everything is, I mean, for everyone, that would be same. In every homes, that will be same. Am I right or wrong? Exactly, right? Now, please observe here. Please observe here. If you are trying to hold new class A parent class object with a child class reference B, I mean class B like that, child class reference like this, we will be getting an compile time error. INVALID. This is invalid. Or else we'll do one thing. We'll be getting a compile time error like this. Compile time error. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? Guys, please tell me. Is it clear? Right. Now, guys, these 4 key points are very important in inheritance. If you are not remembering these 4 points, no, you will not be understanding OOPS features. Directly, I'm saying you will not understand the entire OOPS features. Let us try to work these 4 points with our code. Okay. Now, let me try to create a method here also. Okay, just let me try to create a method. Void method 2 like this. Now system.out.println, here I'll be writing child class method, and here I'll be writing, instead of class A, I'll be writing parent class method. Okay, this is parent class method and this is child class method. Okay, right. Now let us check with our points. What is the first point, guys? First point is we can hold parent class object with parent class reference. Parent class object. Let me just try to write it here like this. First point. Let me write it here like this. Okay. This is the first point. Parent class object with parent class reference. And with that reference, we can call only parent class methods. If you are trying to call AOBJ dot method 2, we will be getting an compile time error. We will be getting a compile time error. Now, guys, kindly please do remember, in order to perform this first point, no need to use inheritance. No need to use inheritance. Okay. This is actually has a relation. Am I right or wrong? No need to use inheritance. Even if you are not writing extends keyword also, nothing will happen. Here you will be getting a compile time error. Okay. Now system.out.println, just let me try to go with the second point. All right. Tell me, guys, what is the second point? Second point means we can hold child class object with a parent class reference. Okay. What is my child class object? This is my child class. Okay. Let me try to create a child class object. New class B child class object, hold it with parent class reference, AOBJ2, parent class reference. Now, with the help of that AOBJ2, okay, I'll do one thing. AOBJ2 dot method 1 and AOBJ2 dot method 2. Okay. Line number 17 and line number 18. In which line I may get an error or both lines are correct? Tell me the line number. Tell me the line number. Which lines I'll be getting an error or both the lines will be correct? Right. 99% of the people are saying that line number 18 will be getting an error. Only 1 or 2% are saying that both are correct. Both are correct. Okay. Understand. Not all trouble. Now, guys, again, please read the point slowly. We can hold. Okay. Just let me try to get it like this. Right. Now, point here. Okay. We can hold child class object with parent class reference. Okay. That is valid. And with that reference, we can call only parent class methods. Method 1 is parent class and method 2 is child class. Now tell me, line number 17 or line number 18? Where I'll be getting an error? In line number 18, I should be getting an error. Please observe here. Did you understand, guys? Please tell me. Guys, please tell me. Is it clear? Is it clear? So here we will be getting an compile time error. Sir, then what is the difference between point number 1 and point number 2? First point also, we are able to call only parent class methods. Second point also, we are able to call only parent class methods. What is the difference, guys? This second point, I want you to please remember this second point. We will be able to understand this second point whenever we are dealing with polymorphism. Okay. At the time of polymorphism, I am going to ask you this second point. Could you please remember this point up to that time? Please. Okay. Right. Now here, guys, in class B, right now, in class B, answer my question correctly. Think and answer. Okay. Let us think. I'm keeping these two in comment. In class B, if I remove this extends class A, in line number 11 and line number 16, at which line I will be getting an error? At which line I'll be getting an error? Exactly. Line number 16. Shrikant, what you are doing? Shrikant, what is happening? Buddy, you need to listen. You need to listen clearly. Where are you? Shrikant, Suresh. Come on, guys. I'm expecting more. If I keep this in comment, obviously I'll be getting an error in line number 16. This is inheritance. Yes or no, guys? This is has a relationship. You'll not be having any trouble there. Okay. Kindly please do remember that particular point. Okay. Now, next point. Okay. If I execute my program, right click, run as Java application, both parent class method here. First method one, parent class method. After that, a small line. After that, parent class method. Okay. Now, let me go for the third point. Guys, what is my third point? What is the third point? Is this the third point? Is the third point? Holding child class object with child class reference. Once again, holding child class object with, terminology, guys. Here, guys, in inheritance, you need to remember the terminology. Mark my words. Mark literally, please. Terminology is very important. Again, we are holding child class object with child class reference, and with this reference, with that reference, we can call both parent and child class methods. Let us check. This is parent class or child class method. That is parent class method or child class method. That is parent class method, P-A-R-E-N-T, parent class method, and BOBJ dot method 2. Now this is child class method. As simple as this. Now if I execute my program, parent class method, child class method. Guys, I hope you're understanding me. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? Is it clear? Now, finally, for the last point, fourth point. What is my fourth point? Sir, we cannot hold parent class object with child class reference. Okay, guys, can you please give me the code for that? Please give me the code for that, please. Just give me the code. We cannot hold, Mukesh, very good here. I'm impressed. We cannot hold parent class object first, right? Parent class object with child class reference. Okay. Class B, BOBJ2, like this. Like this. No, that is not valid. We cannot control parent class with child class reference. No, here this is INVALID, valid. We will be getting an compile time error. Guys, is it clear, guys, for everyone? Right. So this is compile time error. Now you may have a small doubt. Sir, what happens if class A method name and class B method name are same? Guys, that is a concept of polymorphism. Kindly please wait for that. Okay. Now you may ask me, sir, can I call child class methods from parent class? Can I call child class methods from parent class? Did I told that we can call? Did I give any point here? No, guys, no, that is not possible. Are you understanding me, guys? All these points, I have given all these points keeping in mind that you should be using these in the child class. Am I clear with this? Guys, these 4 points literally, they will rule OOPS features. Literally, seriously, I'm saying you. These 4 points, if you remember these 4 points, you can master like you can consider that you are mastered in OOPS concepts. I'm saying only these 4 points. Please remember these 4 points. Okay, guys? Can you do that for me, guys? Please. Suresh, third point in the sense, third point means we can hold child class object with child class reference. And with that reference, we can call both parent class methods and child class methods. As simple as this. Now, guys, do me a favor. Please have this program for me. Before having this program, I want you to, guys, before having this program, I want you to please have this key points. Can you do that for me, guys? Key points. Try to write them by your own. Please try to write them by your own, guys. Okay? Umesh, we can do that. No problem. Nagarjuna, that's what I'm saying. First point is actually has a relation. Second point involves inheritance, but the difference between the first and second point, we will be able to understand whenever we are dealing with polymorphism, Nagarjuna. You need to wait for that, okay? Please wait for that. Guys, these 4 points, I'm requesting you, please try to write these 4 points by your own. If you are having any doubt, then please check. But don't copy paste here, please. Please don't copy paste, please. I'll be waiting. Please inform me if completed. Jesus, buddy, I'm not remembering your name here. What is your name? Jesus, I think Shrikant something. What is your name? Try to give your name so that I'll be able to remember your name instead of calling Shri. Yeah, Shrikant. No, not Shrikant. Then who is Jesus? Jesus, give me your name. Give me your name. I don't want to call you with machine names. Parvesh, that's what I told you. You cannot call child class methods in parent class. No. Inheritance means everything, whatever the points which you are discussing, those points are related to child class only. Okay, Parvesh? Good. Please. Krishna, what do you mean by modification? What do you mean by that? Modify means how? What you want to modify? Yeah, obviously they will affect. Wait for it, Yogesh. Wait for it. Please inform if completed, guys. Upendra, which variable should I take for add employee? Which variable? Take string, buddy. Hey, I understand. Take string. Guys, please write it by your own. Please write it by your own. Ganesh, holding objects means we are pointing our reference to that object. That's it. Okay, Ganesh? Holding means nothing but we are pointing. Yes. Yeah, Parvesh, I want you to go only with the key points. Please try to write the key points by your own. I'm requesting you, literally, I'm requesting you. Please try to write it by your own. One more minute. One more minute. Right. Completed. Guys, I hope it's completed. Is it done? Is it done? Okay. Okay. I'll upload, Parvesh. I'll upload. No issues. No, I'm asking you to write these points because I just want you guys to remember. That's it. Okay. Now, guys, please go with the code for me, please. Please go with the code. Please go with the code. I hope class A completed. Class B. Class B, please. Let's just first write it. First write it. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. Please write. Please write. Abhijit, you can't see the screen. Can you see the screen, Abhijit? Guys, can you see the screen? Abhijit, please check your internet connection, buddy. Please check your internet connection. Abhijit, you need to respond. You need to respond. Can you see the screen? Or else, if you're having any trouble, please do let me know, buddy. Now visible. Fine. Yeah, fantastic, buddy. Fantastic. Very good. Very good. Guys, please inform if it is completed. Is it done? No. Okay. Okay. I don't know. I mean, Sus, I'm asking you, what is your name? You're not saying me your name. Give me your name, buddy. I want to address with your name. Give me a name. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. I hope it's completed. Ravi, you're asking, sir, any holiday on 18th or 19th March? Nope. No holiday, Ravi. No holiday. No holiday. Okay. All right. All right, guys. All right. All right. Right. I'm removing this. I'm removing this. Okay. Done. Done. Okay. Right. Now, guys, please observe here. Actually, when you are speaking about inheritance, there are different types of inheritance are there. Okay. There are different types of inheritance are there. Those are single inheritance. Point number one. First one is single, S-I-N-G-L-E, single inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance and hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance. In Java, there are three types of inheritance are there. Single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. Like this, hierarchical inheritance. Okay. Now, guys, Java does not support multiple inheritance. Java does not support multiple inheritance. Now, what is actually this single inheritance? What is actually this multi-level inheritance and hierarchical inheritance? Let us try to understand that. Now, guys, single inheritance means there will be only one level of inheritance. There will be only one level, means child class and parent class. That's it. Child class and parent class. That's it. Not more than that. Once again, I am saying you, single inheritance means there will be only one level of inheritance. Every Java class by default exhibits single inheritance. Do you know why? Guys? For example, right now, this class A, it is exhibiting single inheritance. Krishna, very good. That is exhibiting single inheritance. Yeah, how? Why? Exactly, guys. For every Java class, one class acts as a parent class. What is that? Object class, right? For example, let me try to have a main method. Now, inside my main method, I'm trying to create an object, new class A. Okay, new class A. Let me try to have a reference equal to AOBJ belongs to class A like that. Now here, let me try to have a method void method one like this, and system dot out dot println. Simply I'm writing class A method. Okay. Now AOBJ dot method one. Okay, that is very good. That is fine. No problem. I will be getting my output as class A method. Now AOBJ dot hash code. Now this method belongs to which class? That method belongs to which class? Object class. Are you understanding me, guys? Now, class A is having only one level of inheritance. What do you mean by one level? Single level. What do you mean by single level? One child class, one parent class. That's it. That's it. Not more than that. Are you getting me, guys? Guys, please help me out. Please help me out. One child class, one parent class. That is known as single inheritance. Single inheritance. Okay, we'll do one thing. Let us try to perform single inheritance in the form of classes. What do you say? Classes. Okay, I'm having class A. I'm having class B. Okay, now here, let me try to have one more method, void method 2. I want to make this as public, 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 and here also I'll be making them as public, 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 like this. Okay, now class A, class B, right? Okay, now here I'm writing system.out.println. This is class B method. Okay, now main method. Inside my main method, I'll be trying to create an object here. New class B. New class B equal to BOBJ belongs to class B like this. Now BOBJ dot method 1 and BOBJ dot method 2. This is single inheritance. Are you understanding me, guys? Only one level of inheritance. Now, let us try to have an idea about multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Okay. Now, guys, I want to inherit class B in class X. Okay, guys, class B in class X. Right. EXTENDS extends class B. Can you tell me why I'm getting an error? Can you tell me why I'm getting an error? Exactly. Both are present in two different packages, sir. We need to import that. Okay, guys. Okay, sorry. Okay, let me try to import. import import com dot pack1 dot class B. Okay, I have imported. Fine. Very good. Now let me try to have one more method. Void method 3. System dot out dot println, and here this is class X method. METHOD. Class X method, like that. Okay. Now let me try to have my main method. Inside my main method, I'm trying to create an object. Okay. New class X OBJ belongs to class X. Right, guys, this is important. I need your help. I need your help. This is important. I'm trying to write 3 cases. First one is x obj dot method 3. Method 3. Second one is x obj dot method 2. Third one is x obj dot method 1. Now line number 14, 15, 16 all are in comment. At which line I will be getting an error? Line number 14 or line number 15 or line number 16? At which line I will be getting an error? Or do you think that all are correct? What is your opinion? Okay, go ahead, go ahead. Right. So some people are saying line number 15 will be getting an error. Some people are saying line number 16. Some people are saying line number 14. How will be getting an error in line number 14 here? How will be getting an error? Method 3. This method 3 belongs to class X. Yeah, we are trying to call that with the help of X obj. Why will be getting an error? No, here will not be getting any error. Right click, run as Java application, class X method. Right? Now, let me try to go with method 2. Right? Am I getting any error? No, sir. Actually, this is parent class. This is parent class. Right? Parent class, fine, no problem. Okay, let us execute. Right click, run as Java application, class B method. Now, are we getting any error here, guys? Exactly. We are not having any error. Right click, run as Java application, class A method. This is known as multi-level inheritance. What is this, guys? What is this? Multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance means child class object should be able to access grandparent class method. Child class object should be able to access grandparent class method. Are you understanding me here, guys? Guys, method 2 is a parent class method, but method 1 is a grandparent class method. Sir, why it is grandparent? Because class A acts as a parent for class B and class B acts as a parent for class X. Simple relation, guys. Are you understanding me? Yes or no? Yes. This is multi-level inheritance. Okay. Now tell me, single inheritance means? Single inheritance means only one level. Single level. One parent, one child. Multi-level inheritance means a child class should be able to access grandparent class method. Grandparent class method. Now, hierarchical inheritance. Guys, tell me one thing here. Tell me one thing. Can I inherit class A in class B? Yes or no? Just say yes or no. Just say yes or no. Class A into class B. Yes? Okay. Okay. Can I inherit class A in class X also? Yeah. Why not? I can do that. I can do that. Right? A single class. If you are trying to inherit a single class in multiple classes, that is nothing but hierarchical inheritance. Okay. Please have this program for me. I mean, this is multi-level inheritance. Please have this program for me, guys. Please. Pranita, hierarchical inheritance means a single class should be we should be able to inherit in any number of classes. For example, okay, class A, we are inheriting in class B. Can we inherit class A in class X also? Yes or no, Pranita? Yes. Can we inherit class A in some other classes? Yeah, we can do that. Means a single class we are able to inherit in any number of classes. Asus, what is multi? Asus, I will not answer your question until you say your name here. No, I don't want to, like, I want your name. What is your name? Tell me. Pratiksha. Talik Pratiksha. Very good. That is such a nice name. Why you are trying to give your name as Asus? Just a minute. Wait. Okay, Pratiksha. Very good. I had changed the name to Pratiksha. Very good. Ma, Pratiksha, don't forget from tomorrow onwards, don't forget. Okay? I don't want to call with machine names, Pratiksha. Such a nice name. Right. Now, multi-level inheritance means a single class means child class should be able to access grandparent class methods. That's it. That is 100% correct. One child class, multiple parent class. Okay, Datta? Pujashri, I did not understand your question, Tali. I mean, Pujashri Sai Kumar. I did not understand your question, buddy. Guys, class A completed. Class A completed. This is class B. This is class B. Rathod, guys, Rathod is asking me a question. So if we can't define as public, then we can't access grandparent class. Obviously, Rathod. I mean, we are access modifiers. What is the main use of access modifiers, Rathod? They provide access restrictions. Am I right? Exactly. Now, Pooja, wait for the topic. Wait for the topic. Why, like, multi-level inheritance is not supported? Like, sorry, Sai Kumar. Sai Kumar, please wait for the topic. Tomorrow we are going to discuss that. Why multi-level? Like, I want to discuss it right now, but it is the time will not be sufficient. Okay, Sai, is it okay? Fine. Wait for it, Srinivas Reddy. Wait for it. Wait for it. Up to now, I did not discuss anything about multiple inheritance, right? Wait for it. Wait for it. All right, guys. Is it completed? Is it completed, guys? Yes, it's done. It's done. No? Okay, 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 okay. Okay, okay. Please write, please write, please write. Umesh, yes, we can do that. According to your requirements, we can do that, Umesh. Ganesh, I'll let you know, buddy. I'll let you know. I'll have a word like regarding those interview process, Ganesh. It's not like 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay. Please wait for it. Please wait for it. I'll speak after completing OOPS concepts, Ganesh. regarding how to get the interview calls, how to prepare their resume. Okay, please wait for it. Right. Shrikant, that does not matter yet. Okay, that does not matter. But if you insist, nearly 200. Okay. Okay, guys, I hope it's completed. I hope it's completed. Krishna, a lot of books are there. Lot of books are there. My advice, black book would be great. Lot of books are there, Krishna. All books are good, buddy. All books. Trust me when I say that. But okay, I'll do that. Okay. All right, guys. All right. All right. So, guys, that's it. That's it for today. And guys, actually, I forgot to tell you. So, a lot of students requested me to create like a social media so that social media or like platform so that it would be great to have an interaction. So I have created this Insta. I had created this Insta today only. Like you can follow it. Okay, guys, you can follow this. Asma and this is Insta. Like if you want to follow, you need to have it. Okay, and the ID name. Yes, you already know ID name. It's always Java is awesome. Guys, literally, I cannot think of any better ID name. What do you say? Is it fine? Is it okay? Yeah, this is our logo, right? Okay, @Java is awesome. This is the Insta ID. You can follow me there. Already some 288, some students are already been following. So you'll be having that number 288. You can go with that. Upload your pic. I'll upload that. I'll upload that. Wait for it. Like as of now, you'll be having only Java logo and my name will be there. My name will be there. Okay. Java logo and like below that logo, my name will be there. No, not that. Not that. Shrikant, not that. Okay. I should be showing you that ID also, like image also. Just a second. Let me open that. There is one more. I mean, some students have already created some website, like some ID, like my Java is awesome. They had kept something like core Java, but not that, not that. I requested them to deactivate that account. Like this is the ID which you will be having that. This is the ID, guys. This is the ID. I mean, image. This is the image which you will be seeing in the Insta. Okay. Right, right. So I'll be trying to every day, like after 1 or 2 days, after this week, most probably after this week, I'll be trying to every day upload one question in our Instagram. Okay. Just please check. I'll start with easy questions. I'll start with easy questions. So try to check whether you are able to answer that question or not. If you are unable to answer that, learn that. Learn that, please. Okay, guys. All right, guys. All right, all right. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Have a great day, guys. Have a great day. We'll be trying to continue our session again by tomorrow. Good night. Good night, everyone.